Hello, good morning, children.
Good morning,
Today,
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
some problem with my net. I don't know. So I'm late. I was trying, and Rafiq sir was helping me. All right. And I want all of you to see all of you. Come on, switch on your uh, camera, all of you. Even I have switched on my camera. Akash, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Vishal, Neha, Vivek, he, the naughty one. Ishika, honey.
Good morning, ma'am.
Come on, let me see her. Let me see your faces. Come on. My camera is off. Why? Okay. Are my camera is getting off. Today, a lot of problem. Now, y'all can see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, who else is there? Diganta Das. Who is Diganta Das? In the name of Diganta Das, who is there? I always forget. Come on, speak up. Abhishek, good morning. Then Muskan, good morning. Roma,
Good
good
morning, ma'am.
morning. Akash Gupta, good morning. Sonu Thakur, good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Avikya, good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
This is Ria Podel or Ronak Podel, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So,
Good morning, ma'am.
yeah. Tutumoni, good morning. Who is in the name of Pooja? Do we have class there?
No, ma'am.
Search anything with Pooja. Oh,
Ma'am, it's
this is
Ishika.
Shika. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
alright. So today, actually, we are going to have our second unit test from, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Second unit test
Yes,
from
ma'am.
20,
Yes, ma'am.
20th of July. Okay. Today, I'm going to give you the portion first. You will have to note down. Today, we will not have any assignments. Assignments will be whole day you will do one thing in the group, not individually. You can ask me questions. Okay? You can send me voice message or you can write it. Voice message will be better. My hand is a bit incapacitated today, so it's a bit difficult for me to type or write. I'll try. I will do it. But the better you can ask me questions if there are any confusions, anything related to the chapters I have taught you till now. By the way, Amanda was not explained to you the poem Amanda.
No,
Or
ma'am.
have you understood the poem?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Huh?
yes, little bit, ma'am, but little confusion was there, ma'am.
Little confusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, do you
Yes,
want me
ma'am.
to
Some
explain
lines.
it today? Amanda? Because Amanda,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
remember I did not explain to you. I just gave you assignments. So, okay. Are your books with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then take out Amanda. Take out Amanda. And I have asked Rafiq sir to record this so that
Yes,
later
ma'am.
on also you can understand. Alright? Then let me do one thing. Are you ready with Amanda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you please take out Amanda. So Amanda is a girl, and a girl maybe most probably of your age or a little younger, but she's a teenager. And what happens in teenage time? It's a very problematic time, you know. People, your parents will. I think all of you have this experience. Ab छोटे नहीं हो, you are not small, you cannot do this. And then if you want to do something like elders, अभी इतने भी बड़ा नहीं हो. You
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
do this. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Jada mat dikhao. So you have this problem with these teenagers have this problem, and it is sometimes it becomes traumatic. But generally, if you take it in your stride, then it does not become so much difficult. So that's why what do I call you? My grown-up children. You are
Yes, ma'am.
children, but you are grown-up. You are not adults, or neither are you small children. You have a lot of thinking capacity. You can analyze things. So this is the time of teenage, and then some of you start hating your parents also. Yes or not? Some of you start hating your parents or your elders, even teachers, because they always are telling you to do so many different types of things or telling you not to do this. You are not yet grown up. Hmm? So as it is
Sometimes,
written here, every child feels that he is controlled and instructed not to do one thing or another. You too may feel that your freedom is curtailed. Curtailed means restricted.
yes, ma'am.
So write down some of the things you want to do, but your parents, elders do not allow you to do. You can write it down, and you can let me know also if you wish. To read the poem aloud, form pairs. Each reading alternate stanzas. You are in for a surprise. Now, if we make pairs, all of you are not there. Some of you, I will read it out to you next time when we meet again in class. Hope we will be meeting very soon. You don't know. All of you pray to God. You all want to meet again, all of you, in school?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Of course, isn't it? So I'll read it out and I'll explain. All right. This is a very beautiful poem. And you will find that some of the second stanza is in parenthesis. That means in bracket. The fourth stanza also is in parenthesis in bracket. That way it goes on. Alright? In bracket means that means the girl is not talking. Amanda is not talking. She is thinking about it. She is not expressing her I am thinking in words. She's just thinking. She's not speaking out. So this is most probably generally mothers say this. Fathers very rarely do this. We'll assume that one of our parents. Okay. So this is, don't bite your nails, Amanda. Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda. Stop that slouching and sit up straight, Amanda. So this is her guardian, her mother is telling that Amanda must have been biting her nails and hunching her shoulders, slouching, not sitting straight. So she was instructed by her mother that don't bite your nails. Even I tell you, no, if I see you biting your nails, we teachers tell you, come on, sit straight. At home also, your parents do that. So what is Amanda thinking? There is a languid emerald sea. The sole inhabitant is me, a mermaid, drifting blissfully. So what is Amanda? She is thinking that there is a languid emerald sea. Emerald is a color, okay? Blue and green, something bluish, greenish, the color of the sea water. Right? The Bay of Bengal's color is similar, somewhat like that. And languid, peaceful. She's thinking that she is drifting peacefully, means not exactly swimming, floating in the water. And she, as you think about herself as a mermaid. You know what is a mermaid? It's a
Ma'am.
imaginary creature with a body, half the body is of a woman, or a merman is also there, half the body of a human, and the rest part is a fish tail, isn't it? So I
Yes,
just
ma'am.
follow there are the pictures of this in films and all. So she says that I'm the sole inhabitant. If the sole inhabitant is me, that means she was the only one person in that sea, and she's drifting blissfully, peacefully in the sea, and there is no one to tell her anything. She wants herself to be left alone. Actually, she doesn't want that her mother should always speak to her that way and telling her not to do this, not to do that. Then again, the mother, did you finish your homework, Amanda? Did you tidy your room, Amanda? I thought I told you to clean your shoes, Amanda. So her mother is again telling her, and Amanda is feeling that her mother is nagging at her. So you ask her, did you finish your homework? Did you tidy? Did you clean up your room? And then the mother is saying, I thought I told you to clean your shoes. And what is Amanda thinking now? Because about shoes and all, keeping tidy and neat and doing homework, going to school, doing her work, homework and all. So she's thinking, I'm an orphan roaming the street. I pattern soft dust with my hushed bare feet. The silence is golden, the freedom is sweet. So what she assumes herself to be? An orphan. Orphans are children without parents. Those children only know how life is difficult, but she thinks that an orphan's life is very better, who can roam around in the street, nobody to tell her anything, no need to go to school, barefoot. Right? Barefoot means without shoes. She says that I pattern soft dust. I think she draws. She's thinking that she will be drawing some designs with her bare feet on the dust with hushed barefoot. When your foot is bare, when you're not wearing shoes or slippers, there'll be no sound. And she
Yes,
says
ma'am.
that she feels that the silence is golden. There is nobody to tell her anything. So she finds silence golden and freedom is very sweet. Then again, there is a mother. So most probably Amanda is eating chocolate. So her mother is saying, don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your acne, Amanda. Will you please look at me when I'm speaking to you, Amanda? So Amanda is not looking at her mother. Amanda is thinking, isn't it? She is breathing. So her mother is saying, don't eat that chocolate because you have to remember your acne. Acne? What is acne? Teenager children sometimes have into skin, no? Acne.
Yes,
Akash,
ma'am.
you want to say something? Acne? You have like pimples, acne, isn't it? So too much of eating chocolate also, it causes acne. Acne is a skin disease. Generally, it happens with children. If you wash your face nicely every day, then uh, keep it clean, acne will not occur. Alright? And children, if at all acne occur, you have to clean it and you can always apply chandan paste. It will help you to clean your acne instead of going for some chemical medicine. This is not from poetry, I'm telling you. So Amanda, what is Amanda thinking when she was told that you must remember your acne, and why don't you look at, will you please look at me when I'm speaking? So Amanda is not looking at her mother. So her mother says that, will you please look at me? Then what is Amanda thinking? I'm turning the next page. That I am Rapunzel. I have not a care. Life in a tower is tranquil and rare. I will certainly never let down my bright hair. So Amanda is thinking, assuming herself that she is Rapunzel. All of you have read the story of Rapunzel? If you have not,
Yes,
try to
ma'am.
find out. Rapunzel was a girl.
Yes, ma'am.
She had beautiful long hair, and her stepmother or a witch had captivated her in a tall tower. You know what are towers, isn't it? Qutub
Yes, ma'am.
Minar is a tower.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and there was no doorway. There was only a window. So
Yes,
when
ma'am.
the witch had to come to her room, Rapunzel had to let down her long hair and she would climb up that way. And again, so nobody could go there. But ultimately, a prince came and rescued her. I think you all have seen that film, isn't it? And you have read the story also. If you have
Yes.
not, then you go to YouTube, you will find the story and read it. You will like it. So she says that I am Rapunzel and I don't have to care for anyone because life in a tower is tranquil and rare, tranquil, peaceful and silent. And it is uncommon. How many people will live in a tower? So it is peaceful and silent. There will be nobody to scold me and I don't care. Then I don't have to care for anyone because her mother said, no, look at me, Amanda. And she says that I will certainly never let down my bright hair. She will never let down anyone to come to her tower. So her mother is again scolding her. Stop that sulking at once, Amanda. You are always so moody, Amanda. Anyone would think that I nagged at you, Amanda. So her mother is saying that stop that sulking. Sulking, you know, when you are angry, you make a face and you don't talk, make your brows close together, mouth down, face down, with a down face. So the sulking. And you are so moody, Amanda, because why her mother said? Because she was not replying. She was not looking at her mother. She was not replying. She was only having some fascination. But she will be a mermaid. She will be she's an orphan. She is Rapunzel. She doesn't want to leave the life of a common child. She wants to be away from the nagging of her mother. And what is her mother saying? Anyone would think that I nagged at you, Amanda. So nagging, you know, always behind you all the time. You feel that way, no? Your mother always nags at you. Do you feel that way? It's natural, my dear children. You will not tell me
No,
nothing.
ma'am.
I know.
Ma'am,
You don't
sometimes,
feel, huh?
sometimes yes, ma'am.
Yes. Sometimes it is natural. It is natural. When people are always saying like that, and you feel that way, it is not uncommon. Okay, so this is about the poem Amanda, written by Robin Klin. So you see the meanings are also there. Languid means relaxed, drifting means moving slowly, pattern, making patterns, making designs, tranquil means calm. So Amanda is a teenager, isn't it? How do we know that? Because she has acne. So this way you will find out, if you have not understood, you can again, Rafiq sir will again give you his recording. So later on you can go to the recording and listen again and you will understand it.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about Amanda. I hope those of you who are present, I hope it is clear. Or is there
Yes, ma'am.
anything you can ask me?
No, ma'am.
Rest of you, only Akash is answering.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Anybody?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am.
So this is about Amanda. It's a very simple poem. Now all the lines are clear to you, no? For some of you, it was not very clear. The lines were not very clear. So now it is clear. Okay. Just one moment, huh? Hold on, just a moment.
Someone was speaking, I think so.
One moment. All right. What did you say, Akash?
I think someone was trying to say something.
Yes. Who is trying to say something?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, it is
Speak.
Abhigya.
Abhigya. Yes, Abhigya. What did you say?
Ma'am, language, can we say lack of enthusiasm?
Hmm?
Ma'am, meaning of
Language?
language, ma'am, can we say the lack of enthusiasm?
Lack of? I'm not following you, Beta.
Lack of
Ma'am,
enthusiasm.
can we say lack of enthusiasm?
Lack of enthusiasm. Yeah, but generally language means relaxed. Yes, whenever there is no enthusiasm, but it will not be a very appropriate word. Sometimes in some type of conversation or some situation, we can say that lack of enthusiasm. He's too languid. He's too relaxed. But here in this poetry, in the languid emerald sea, so we will not be in this poem, it will not be the meaning, okay, because here it is meaning the relaxed sea, where the sea is calm and peaceful, the waves are not very turbulent and it is very peaceful. The sea is just the waves are small waves may be there and she is drifting, the mermaid, as a mermaid she is drifting in the sea. For this particular, for Amanda, the meaning of language will not be lack of enthusiasm. But in
Okay.
other form, we can say that too much languid. He or she is too relaxed, no enthusiasm in life. All right? Abhiga, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And welcome. Anybody? All right. But your portions for, did we do Amanda in the first unit test?
Mm,
No, ma'am.
I
No, ma'am.
think so.
We did not do Amanda in the first unit test, no? So I
No,
will
ma'am.
take a, for English literature to this time, we will have literature and language separately. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So I will take literature 25 marks. Afterwards, we will amalgate both the marks and make it 25 out of 25. But first, we will have it separately because the portion is a bit bigger. First unit test, it was small portion. So I'll be taking, please note down, huh? The midnight visitor, Kurd, and Amanda. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And midnight visitor, no, we will touch that one also. What was it? The other one?
Also, no,
Footprint
no, no,
without
no.
feet.
Yes,
Hmm?
not it.
Footprint without feet, ma'am.
No. Footprints we will not do now.
And question of
That's
Animal.
trust.
possible or not possible. Possible is midnight
Question of
visitor.
trust. Yes,
Animals.
Question of
Animals.
trust. We will
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
do
the
Amanda. We will do Amanda. Who I think we did in first unit test, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will not do Kur. We will do Amanda, midnight visitor, question of trust, and animals. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Question of Amanda, the midnight visitor, a question of trust, and animals. These 4 chapters we will do for second unit test. And mind you, children, I will give such questions that you can open your book. I will means perspective questions you can easily open your book and find your answers also. I will not give the questions which you have. Some of the questions I'll give which we have done already, which we have done noted down, but some few questions I will give you from the middle of the book so you can have time to search for the answers and write them out. All right. So this way we will do. All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you can have that session also. You can open your books and you can write. That way I will give you the questions. Today you will have to give me the attendance now. One moment. So tell me your name. Who is present?
Akash Kumar.
Vishal Kumar Thakur.
One moment.
Shikha
Let me write
Bhattarai.
it down. Hey, one by one. Vishal Thakur. No.
Vivek Das.
Number 3. Who said?
Ma'am, Shikha Bhattarai.
Ishika.
Akash Kumar.
Akash Kumar you already said.
मैम
Okay,
अभी
ma'am.
क्या
Avidya.
दीपा खलाल
One moment. Wait. Who is with D? Who is this one? D. Deepa Kanal. Wait, I will see. I will call out. And you will say yes or no. Then who is this? Akash Gupta.
Abhishek Kumar.
Hmm? Then this is Abhishek. Good to see you,
Vivek.
Abhishek. Today you are present. Then who is this? Roshan.
Vivek.
Vivek.
Yes, ma'am.
Why aren't you showing me your faces? Come on, show me your
Ankur.
faces. Switch on your video. Switch on the cameras. Then Novopolita. Novopolita means
मैम गीतू मनी गीता
Novopolita means
मैम गीतू
who are
मनी
you? Huh?
गीतू मनी
Your voice is so. Eh?
Ma'am, Gitu Moni.
I'm
Cannot,
Gitu Moni. Gitu Moni.
cannot switch on your cameras. Hey, behind whom is the cow moving? This is Muskan.
Ma'am Ankur.
One moment. This is Vishnu Sripal. That means Roma. Then Diganta Das is again. I forgot. Tutumani. No, not Tutumani.
Ma'am Ankur.
Who is this? Ankur. Akash Kumar. I have written your name. Then Tutumani.
Ma'am, my name.
Ma'am Amanat Shah.
After Tutumani, as your names are coming on the screen, that way I'm writing down. Rishi. Have you understood the poem, Rishi?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Amanat.
Ushi. Huh?
Amanat.
Amanat, you are there. Where is Amanat? Show me your face.
Rahul Sharma.
Huh?
Rahul Sharma.
Ha. Hello, Amanat. Today I saw your face. Rahul Sharma. That is Amanat. Hey, Amanat, what happened to this one? What is his name? Who stays near your house?
Hassan.
Hassan Raja.
Hassan.
Huh?
Hassan Raja.
Hassan.
Huh?
Ma'am Hassan
Hassan
Raja.
Raja. Hassan Raja.
Hassan, yes, Hassan. Why he is never present? Do you know why he is never present?
No, I don't know.
I have written. Who is this? With the name Pooja?
Ishita.
Ma'am, Ishika.
Yes, Ishika. So these are there. Sonu Thakur is also there. Sonu, you are there, isn't it? Muskan. Muskan, I have written. Neha. And Ronak. Ronak is there? Ria is there?
Ma'am Ronak.
Ronak. Ria is absent today.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Last time also she was absent. Nowadays she is not attending classes or what?
Ma'am, fever.
Hmm? So we have 20 people today here in the group.
Ma'am, I
But
think
what
so.
happened? Your camera, who else? Akash?
Yes, ma'am, 20, ma'am.
Yeah. And why you all cannot open your camera? Open your cameras. All of you, I want to see your face. Come on, open your cameras. Come. You don't want to see me? Or you all can see me, but you don't want me to see you. Deepa, Ankur, Abhishek. Keep it open. Don't close it.
Ma'am, I think so they are feeling shame.
Huh? What
I
happened?
think so they are shame.
They are feeling scared. What is there to feel scared of?
No, ma'am, shame, ma'am.
Huh? Feel ashamed. What is
Yes,
there to
ma'am.
be ashamed of?
I don't know, ma'am, but I think so.
What is there to be ashamed of? My goodness. I will not tell you about your hair or only you have to wear proper clothes. But that much. You cannot come. Boys, sometimes that
See
last
my
time you
hair.
made a mistake. You have cut your hair. Wow. Abhishek, I will not say anything now. Look at him. Look at Ankur. Long hair. I will not say anything now. You are at home, not in school. So, no doubt you have to keep yourself neat and clean. And of course, I think I have sent you a voice message that day in Khanapara, a lot of COVID-19, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Positive. So those of you who stay here, don't roam around too much. Even Mukesh sir's sister is also, she is also in quarantine. She's in the hospital with COVID-19, COVID positive. All right. So you be careful. In 11th mile, is there any positive cases, Amanat? Amanat, is there any positive case in 11 mile? He cannot hear me most probably. And in 8 Mile, it is there, no? 8 Mile?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. 2 people.
Two people in 8 Mile. Yes. Khanapara, I think 5
I
or
think
6 people.
it's 11th mile.
Huh? Huh?
I think even 11th mile it is there.
Your voice is not very clear, my dear.
I think even in 11th mile some cases are there.
Oh, 11 Mile also some cases. Now it is spreading like anything everywhere. So all of you have to be very careful, all right? When you go out of, if at all you have to go out of your home, don't forget to wear your mask. I heard some of you boys when you were coming for tuition to this Provencer's tuition. Some of you are not, few of you are not even wearing. Vivek Das. Vivek was not wearing mask. He was with some boys.
Ma'am, I was wearing. Ma'am, I was wearing. This Vishal Boron, somebody, I don't know. I was
You were
wearing.
wearing? You were
Yes,
wearing?
ma'am. I have shown Mahadev sir.
Oh, you have shown. No, your mask was in your pocket.
No, ma'am. I have shown Mahadev sir when I have came out from the tuition. But they have not shown. They got scolding from Mahadev sir.
Yes. And not maintaining distance also. Okay, so you are now, as I said, you are grown-up children, so you have to know all those things and you have to be careful, all right? So the portions given to you, if you have any question, you can ask me in the group. I will be answering you, all right? In the group. So that what happens if you ask in the group, then others will also get the answers. If you ask me individually, then others will not know, isn't it? So it is better today you post your questions or ask me verbally also in the group, and I will give you verbal answers in the group. All right. So this is for today. This is that means from today, all of you start. I think all the teachers will give you the portions. My portion already given. What is the portion?
The midnight visitor, animals, Amanda, and question sir.
Yes. All right. So Deepa, have you heard? All of you have heard?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then we will not carry on too much. Anything else? And I say, you all say that you all want meeting individually without my presence. But what happened? It was not a very successful meeting. I said you can discuss, you can have quiz. In the next Monday, when we will have class, we can have this way, and you can ask. You all will be taking the class. I will be your student.
No, ma'am.
Why not?
Ma'am, you are the teacher.
No, just for fun, just for fun. Because we will be doing revision now, isn't it? Just for fun. Anyway, how are you people? How are you all? How is your health? All of you, one by one, you can tell me.
I'm fine.
Cough and cold.
Fine.
Cough and cold.
Not who? Deepa, you are not well.
Miss, only cough and cold.
Cough and cold. Gargle with this one. Salt water, saline water, gargle. Take care. In your area, there is positive cases. So you have to be careful.
Tasted.
But don't fret. Don't be nervous. Don't panic. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Sometimes I forget some words. So don't panic and gurgle. Take lemon. All right. Sometimes in this time it is rain is there. Sometimes it is cold. Sometimes it is hot. We suffer from this. It is not an uncommon something that only if you have COVID-19 then that you will be having cough and cold, isn't it? We have cough and cold. You have to be careful. But gurgle with saline water, warm saline water. Don't take cold water. Though it is hot, don't take cold water. Isn't it? And that way you will be cured. All right? Don't panic. So anybody else suffering from cough, cold or anything?
No.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Yes, Kushi?
No, ma'am.
So all of you are well.
Ma'am.
Good. So take care of yourself. And girls, have you grown your nails? Long nails with nail polish. Okay, no school work, but it is not very good for the nails. But still then, I will not say anything. Because in the school, you have to maintain those discipline, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. In the school, you have to maintain.
Ma'am, how are you?
Me? From my voice, what can you say?
Fine, ma'am.
Fit and fine.
I'm fine. And Monday mornings, I'm the happiest because I can see some of you. I can talk to you. I am the happiest person in the world on Monday mornings because I can get to see or talk to my children, my loving children. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything else?